So we have created the profile for a new user. Now we'll go to the existing user and we'll try logging with the OTP. The OTP received is 266835 on the user's mobile phone. Now we can now we can select the language, English or Hindi. I will select English this time, and I'm going to initiate a new test for a new user. So I will click on the Initiate New User tab. The user has to agree to these terms and conditions as per the ICMR advisory. I have clicked here, and this will take me to the new screen in which all the data has to be filled for a new user. The contact number belongs to self, so I'll enter self here. The person lives in Sir Hall, Gurgaon. I will enter the ID type, which is Aadhaar card number. The person is vaccinated and he has received, if I enter yes here, then I will have to enter all the vaccination details here, like selecting the vaccine. Date of the first dose is 28th of July. Date of the second dose is 28th of October. This information here is mandatory. Symptoms, I can select symptoms here. Just for example, I have selected fever, cough and cold. Press OK and proceed further. It is not necessary that I have any underlying medical conditions, so I can select none here and can proceed further. Now this will ask me to take the picture of the test cassette, specifically the QR code of the test cassette. So I will focus my camera on the QR code. It will automatically take me to the test procedure. This is showing all the screens. These are showing me the test procedure for performing a COVID self-test. Now, as per the test procedure, I have to take out the specimen collection swab. The first step would be to take out the buffer tube, the extraction buffer tube, and this is the nozzle cap. I have to place the extraction buffer tube, open it, and place it here in the space provided in the box. And now, as the next step, I can take out the swab. This is the nasal swab. I will take out the sample from the nostrils, both the nostrils. This sample has to be mixed with the buffer in the buffer tube. Now, after mixing the sample properly, I can take out the swab and place the cap on the buffer tube. Now, as the final step, I have to apply 3 drops on the test cassette in the sample well. Now I can start the timer. Now, as per the app, and as per the guidelines, I am supposed to wait for 15 minutes to get my test results. We will stop the camera here because all we are doing is waiting for 15 minutes.